Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to restore back any edited photo or video in Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the gallery application and say I have one video here. So let me try to open it, and now just click on this pencil like icon. Now you will see here the revert option. So just click on it. Now click on to revert to original. Then it will be restored back to the original one. And similarly for the respective photo, just open the respective photo and once again click on this pencil like icon, and now you will see on the above revert. Just click on it. Now click on to revert to original. Now click on save. Then it will restore back to the original one. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily restore back any edited photo or video in Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.